Mm-hmm. Definitely. It'd be even creepier out here alone.
I don't think I could. Oh my God, what the?
Something's going on over there, guys. We'll be there soon.
No, I don't like this area.
Oh, spooky dolls. Look how creepy that looks. Ooh. Ew. Creepy dolls all over. Let's hope none of them come alive, guys. You never know. They're all over. That doll's seen better days. Spooky. Spooky. The ambiance out here is great. Uh-oh. Looks like we're hitting another section, guys. Uh-oh, spooky spider up there. I can already see it. Spooky spiders all over the place. Alright, let's head on in. Definitely bug spray. Spooky spider. Uh-oh. Something bad happened here, guys. These guys don't look like they have a very good day.
Oh no, what is this?
Something happened bad there.
Oh, this is very hard.
Yeah, I would not want to be walking through here too much without a light. It'd be dark. I don't even have this up on all my full intensity. Spooky. Probably. Yeah, something's bad happening right there. And the paths are pretty well set, so you know you're walking through the woods, you don't have to worry about getting lost because you can easily see where the path is. So because without a light, without this path, you could easily get lost out here, but it's good enough without it. It does. What makes this so great is the ambiance where we're actually in the woods. It's a much more real environment than some of the other haunts where it's all manufactured. Don't get me wrong, they're spooky, they're scary. But when it's in an actual environment like this, something like, you know, Jason out of the woods with a machete type environment, this is definitely perfect. Uh-oh, I hear someone crying. Means we're coming up on something. Uh-oh. That looks great. Look at that, it glows.
Not very happy on this playground. Oh my gosh. us to come back. No, we'll come back a little later.
Oops.
We gotta go.
Oh, here's the creepy part with the dolls. I'm gonna take the light because I want to take a few pictures. Took a few photographs, guys, but not too many. I would take more, but I'm kind of in a rush because I have a bit of a long drive getting home, and I'm bushed, to be honest. Yeah, it definitely gets quite dark out here. We have trouble seeing. Come on. Okay, go. Let's go. Sorry if I'm not taking enough pictures. I'm just going to do a few here and there. Oh, I got to get some pictures of these guys. Okay. And some good pictures. Well, obviously you've seen with the light on, so okay, I'm not even sure I'll show this whole thing. I can't see anything. Wait a minute. I literally can't see anything ahead of me. Without that light, I would have ran right into the bush. This is great, though. My only advice is just take your time, be careful with your footing, especially walking through here with no light, because the ground is uneven and very tight. Okay, good. That's cool. Oops.